This little thing is so small. Look at my hand. It doesn't even go in all the way. It's maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sandwiches, maybe 6 can fit in there. Let's see how many. And it closes, and then you open it. I love it though. I really do. It's just real small. It is so small. Let me see if I can compare it to something. Let me get a box of cereal and put next to it. So here's a box of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the mega size. You can see how, just compare that, it's little. Here's a Club Mini crackers. Is that width, you know, is that wide or whatever. It's like that. Here it is next to my garbage can. So let's see how many drinks it can hold. This is a Gatorade. It will not, I'll have to take this out. It slides out. So that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh, I can get some stuff on the top. Maybe a few oranges, sandwiches. Okay. No, that's not gonna work. Orange ain't gonna work. Maybe, what's this? Maybe this can go in there? Yeah, that can go in there. Huh? It can't fit on the top, it can fit in the middle though. Let's try it with some, okay, hold on. 4 Gatorades and a sandwich. Good. I know it can fit lots of sandwiches. Let's see how many pops. That's Gatorade. So here is some pop, 4 cans. Oh well, that's 4 cans of pop. I can fit the apples and, well, pears and oranges in there now. 4 of those. Uh-oh. Let's see, will it close? Let's see, will it close? Barely, but it can. It clicks. But you don't want to mess up. You don't want to mess this up, so don't stuff this up. It dented in this pear. See how it made an indent on it? So you don't want to stuff this. Let's see how many more drinks can fit. Okay. 1. So this can fit 6 drinks. Okay. Let's close this. Close with ease. Yes, a 6-pack can go in here. Oh, it's not for nothing then. Okay. It rolls out. Be careful. Oh, man. Look at that again. 6-pack. Okay, let's see how many fruits can go in here. But I can stack up in here. I mean, if you stack this up correctly, you can get quite a bit of stuff in here. Quite a bit. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, I got 9 items in here. That's good.
Definitely smaller than I thought, but it is cute. And let's see how well it will work for the children. They just need something small in their room for drink in the middle of the night so they don't have to run down the stairs and bother everyone else. So let's see what it can actually fit. Nice little click, easy open access. The kids usually drink a 16.9 ounce of whatever liquid it is. This is a Propel bottle. It will not go in directly. I put it in sideways. And another bottle of water. So it looks like you could put two 16.9 ounce of fluid in there. And then we have this. This is 8 ounce. You could put it in this way. I think I can put another one in there. Or I could put it up here. And it seems to close perfect. All right, let's see what else, in case you guys don't drink this. I'm assuming you could put the smaller 8 ounce water bottle in here, but I have this 8 ounce orange juice. Looks like I could put 4 in if I put it this way. Might be too big to lay that way, but I could fit 4 of these, 8 ounces, fits fine. As far as cans, definitely could put 2 to 4 standing up. Definitely 6. It will fit, or you could get creative. But I know a lot of people can put snacks in here. You can put, let's say, some yogurt cups or some Jell-O cups or other fruit snack cups that you could put in here that needs to be refrigerated.
Hi, I'm doing a review of this tiny mini fridge. You can kind of see the size of it. It's like a bigger size toaster. But it does come with 2 plugs, so one for your car, which is awesome for road trips, and then just the standard. And so I actually got this for my son who gets super hungry in the middle of the night, takes medication during the day, he's just starving in the middle of the night. So when the meds are wearing off. So this is nice because it has like a way, you can pretty much stuff it and it has a latch that will click. So you can get it pretty tight in there, but basically you can see kind of what I've done. So I have 3 string cheeses. I have a couple of these protein packs. There's another one in there. And I have applesauce pouch, another peanut butter and like pretzel dunkers, a cup of peaches, and an applesauce pouch. So I think it holds a decent amount just for like putting in the car for a few snacks that need to be refrigerated, or putting in a kid's room or an office. I give 5 stars.
need to defrost mine, but it does hold 4 cans of soda. And I put my cat food in here. This comes out. This I need to defrost, but yeah, it's pretty convenient.
Other side. And then on this side, I don't know if you can see it. This side, there's like all this like weird stuff on it.
Not a fan. Barely kept anything cold. Will not buy this brand again. I'm gonna try again with a different brand.